Hello students, welcome back to my class. In the previous meeting, we talked about noun clause. Today, I will introduce you to noun clause connectors and explain how to use them as subjects of clauses correctly. Without any further ado, let's begin. Have you ever heard the term noun clause connectors before? Noun clause connectors are words used to introduce noun clauses. They make clauses connect smoothly in a sentence. For example, I know what he wants. Here, what connects the main clause I know to the noun clause what he wants. Other examples of noun clause connectors include who, whoever, whatever, which, and whichever. But did you know that in some cases, noun clause connectors can also be a subject of a clause? Let's take a look at this. I don't know what is in the box. Here, the noun clause connector what, beside connects the clauses, it also subject of the verb is. Whoever is coming to the party must bring a gift. In this example, the noun clause connector whoever serves as the subject for the verb is. We are concerned about who'll do the work. Here, the noun clause connector who serves as a subject of will. Now let's practice, everybody. Fill the blank. Blah 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 was on television, made me angry. This sentence lacks a subject. Therefore, option D is incorrect. To complete the missing subject, we can use a noun clause connector. So let's eliminate options A and B. So the correct answer is C. What? This is exercise that we have to answer. Each of the following sentences contains more than one clause. Underline the subjects of once, the verbs twice. Circle the connectors, put boxes around the noun clauses, and indicate if the sentences are correct or incorrect. Let's first analyze the first question. The game show contestant was able to respond to whatever was asked. This sentence has two clauses, main clause and noun clause. Let's first analyze both subject and verb of the main clause of the sentence. The subject here is contestant. Let's underline it once. Next, identify its following verb. Here it is was asked, so let's underline it twice. Now, let's analyze the subject and verb of the noun clause. The subject here is whatever, which also serves as the connector. So, let's circle and underline it once. The following verb is was asked. Let's then underline it twice. This sentence is structurally complete. It is then categorized correct. Now let's analyze the second question. This sentence has two clauses as well. Let's first analyze both subject and verb of the main clause of the sentence. The subject here is you. Let's underline it once. Next, identify its following verb. Here it is should find. So let's underline it twice. Now, let's analyze the subject and verb of the noun clause. The subject here is which. Besides, it is also a connector. So let's circle and underline it once. The following verb is was asked. Let's then underline it twice. This sentence is being categorized incorrect. Are you guys ready for the quiz? This is it. These are all questions you have to answer. You don't have to be worried. You don't have to worry because I have provided the answers of all of the questions. So these are answers for the question number 3 and 4. These are the answers for the question number 5 and 6. This is the answer for the question number 7. These are the answers for the question number 8 and 9. And this is the answer for the question number 10. So, finally we have arrived at the end of this video. See you and bye everyone!